Dad's out there warming up his Charger. I'm gonna warm up Jezebel, and fingers crossed that this will be the first time they've driven side by side and, well, don't break down with them in these conditions. So that sounds so cool. All right, let's get Jezebel warmed up. Well, here we are, cruising down the road, headed to Jesse's place. So far, so good. Temp, water, tech, fuel, rocking and rolling, baby. They say Kansas is flat. Look at that hill. Look at that hill. All right, we're on the final stretch. Open zoomies out to Jesse's. Here we go. Had to shift the gear. Everything's looking good. Looking good. Out to Jesse's place. Mopar heaven. Here we go. Here we go. The Heberling Mopar show. back on their car. Alrighty, well, we're gonna start our trek home. As you can see, it's cooled off pretty good. Vapor just stopped on the Jezebel. Jesse's gonna keep the engine for a little bit, keep her stored away. Michael's here. So, let's get home. Try and get past this rain. Alright. Alright guys and gals, we're on the road. We're trying to outrun the rain that's coming. We're doing a pretty good job as long as we stay constant where we're at. But we're doing pretty good. Can't take my eyes off the wheel, obviously. But I do appreciate you guys for checking out this little cruise to my buddy Jesse's place. Like I said, Canada's Mopar crew, all trying to stick together, trying to keep the Mopar dream alive. So as always, guys, I do appreciate you for checking this one out. As always, take care, and Barracuda parts, bye-bye.